Hello everyone, this is Jesus Redondo, and today I want to show you how to add some JavaScript to your HTML code. As you can see on my left hand, I have text editor open. This is Sublime. This is a pretty cool text editor that we can use. It helps you by showing all the tags and everything in different colors. So I like this text editor. So let's start with this. How to add JavaScript to our HTML code. There are three different ways we can do that. We can do that by adding the script tags in our head section, just like this. Script, I would say script. And inside this I add my JavaScript code. In this case I want to say alert welcome to JavaScript. Okay, as we have seen in our lesson, we have this is called a statement or command, and basically what we are telling our computer to do in this case is to bring a pop-up that says welcome to JavaScript. Let's see, I'm gonna save this file like this and then refresh my browser. In this case my browser that I'm using right now is a Chrome browser, and let's see what happens. You see I have a pop-up here that says welcome to JavaScript, so we can see that this command is being executed in my browser. We can do this same thing in here, and I'm gonna talk to you about where do I prefer to add JavaScript when we add JavaScript to our HTML code. I like to add it at the end of the body section because, and I'm gonna show you in a moment, when we are rendering our page, if we have a lot of JavaScript code or a lot of commands, then it can take a while for our page to load. So for performance conveniences, I like to add the JavaScript at the end, so all the HTML code gets rendered first and then the JavaScript. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna save the file and then run. We have the same thing that we did as we had before when we added the JavaScript code in the head section. So let's see what I was talking about. Let's think, or let's suppose that I have an H1 in here that says JavaScript. Then I save the file, and you will see what happens when I click on reload. I have my box in here that says welcome to JavaScript, and then I have the JavaScript tag, or the JavaScript sign that comes in the H1 tags right in here. So what I was telling you just a moment ago is it would be better if we add this first, or HTML, and then all our JavaScript code, so the HTML gets rendered first. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, let me take out this for a moment and refresh so you can see the true thing that happens in here. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna save this file, and then you see we have just the pop-up box here. So now I'm gonna add the H1, save the file, and run the JavaScript code. So what happens in this case is we render first the HTML code, and then the JavaScript gets executed. Now I will take away this code and show you the third way we have we are able to load some JavaScript into our HTML. Okay, this way is through an external file. This file is located with where my other file is, and has some JavaScript in it. So how do we actually make possible for this external file to execute in our HTML? Well, we use the same script tag, but in this case we are going to use one attribute called the source, and then I say that the source is going to be the name of my file, main.js. I want to make a comment in here is that when we create a file to contain only a JavaScript, we have to give it a name, and then the extension is JS, and then in here we don't have to add the script tags, so we just add all the JavaScript that we want to be executed. So let's see what happens. I don't have any JavaScript code here, so I save the file. Well, let's see, I'm gonna make a little change here so you can say that you can see that I'm running the JavaScript in the other from the other file. So I say JavaScript 2, and then save the file, and then run the file or refresh my browser. So in this case we get executed the alert, but this time is the JavaScript 2. So today I have shown how to add JavaScript to our HTML code in 3 different ways. Normally I prefer to add the third way, to run all my JavaScript from separate files, because it's easier to organize it that way. So I hope this has been helpful, and that's it for how to add some JavaScript code to an HTML file. Thank you very much.